A warm and inviting guest room is one of the best ways to make your guest feel welcome and comfortable while visiting your home. So I've teamed up with Lull to share some ideas on how to make your guest room feel amazing. And although this video is sponsored by Lull, my opinions are not. And today I'm going to share the unboxing of this mattress and a few ideas on how to style a bed to make it feel amazing for your guest. Unboxing my Lull mattress was an absolute breeze. I pulled the box upstairs by myself and opened it up, and the kids really enjoyed watching the mattress expand. As soon as you take it out of the plastic, it starts to expand on its own like you see here, but it takes a full 24 hours for the bed to actually expand to capacity. Hello everyone, it's day 2 of my Decorate With Me series for our guest bedroom, and today I'm showing you guys how I style a bed. So before we get started, I wanted to take you through the thought process on the way that I'm styling the way that I am. Normally I would add a mattress pad or cover to a mattress. However, because this is my new experience with Lull, I want to experience the mattress in its natural form before I add a cover to it. So in order for me to give you guys a thorough review, I am going to make the bed without the mattress pad, and then in a few weeks when I give you an update, I'll let you know whether or not I decided to add it. But in the meantime, so far the experience with Lull has been amazing. I was hesitant at first to try a mattress that came to me in the mail because I have a lot of back problems, but at the end of the day, I have to sleep on a mattress several weeks anyway. And so with the free shipping and the 100-night trial that you get and free returns, I figured I really didn't have anything to lose. And so everything was a breeze. I ordered the bed, it got here in just a couple days. It was really easy to unbox, as you guys saw. And so now I'm ready to make the bed. Most of you probably already know the tips I'm going to share with the actual making of the bed, but I'm going to share them anyway for the sake of being thorough. Once you get your fitted sheet onto your mattress, obviously the next step is the flat sheet. I'd like to mention here that I like to turn the pattern side of the flat sheet down towards the mattress so that if you decide to fold it backwards, the pattern will be exposed and you can see it from the room. Next, I like to add a quilt or a light blanket to give the bed a little texture. In Florida, especially this time of year, and we're going into summer, we have pretty warm nights. So I like something light to give guests the option of just using that. And then if they want to pull the comforter or duvet over it, they can. And then in the next step, obviously you're going to add your comforter or duvet. And it's just a matter of preference. I like duvets because I like to change my bedding out by the season. And this is a very affordable way to do that. And then next, I like to put a special touch on the bed by folding the duvet down in thirds at the end of the bed. It gives it a really plush, luxurious look like you see in hotels. I wanted to share the detail on this duvet. HomeGoods has some very affordable options that look very beautiful. I found this one for $45. And in this video, I'm going to turn down the sheets to show you an informal look. If you want to keep it a little more dressy, you would leave everything flattened out against the bed. But I want the guests to feel, you know, very warm and invited, so I'm turning it down to give it a more homey feel. And now we move on to pillow styling. So right now I'm going to share a very informal way to style your pillows. So I'm using the Euro shams on the very back of the bed, and I'm going to layer forward. And then later on in the video, I'll show you another more formal option. But again, because this is our guest room, I really want people to feel very comfortable and at home. So I'm doing it this way. And then next I'm adding in my throw pillows or toss pillows. So this is a very monotone color scheme in this room. Very neutral, not a lot of pops of color. So by using pillows with patterns, it's breaking up some of the monotone that you see and just giving the room a little more texture and depth. Adding the sleep pillows in the front. Again, this is a very informal way to style your pillows. More formally, you'll see these pillows towards the back by the headboard. But here, I just wanted to show you a very fun and comfortable option. And then I'm just gonna add a couple of smaller toss pillows in the front. I found these on clearance at Pier 1, and they gave the bed a little more texture and it makes it look really cozy. For a more formal styling option, you can put your sleeper pillows in the back by the headboard, and then put your Euro shams in front of that, and then your toss pillows in front of that. Look at how inviting this bed looks. So I hope today's video gave you a couple of ideas on ways to make your guest room feel awesome for your guest. Make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. In a few weeks, I'm going to give you my full review after I've slept on the mattress, and check back tomorrow for a full guest room tour. I'd like to extend a very special thank you to Lull for sponsoring this video, and until next time, love and peace.